instead of starting off at the house, I thought we'd start off in the gym. But it's Thursday, and to be honest, guys, I mean, I haven't slept. Like, I haven't slept. It's dark. We're still here. We're trying to push ourselves. Maybe more than we should. Today's back and biceps in the gym, so let's get into it. And plus, I'm going to my first trade today, and that is with GJ. It was in the first entry area, but that was only because the 4-hour seemed very bullish at the time. I didn't use my personal account, I used my experimental account. We'll have a visual on it when I get back home. Time to get started.
Had to get my money up and leave them all behind. She said, you don't love me, boy, you only love your grind. If you keep...
I've just finished the first exercise. We're getting better with the rotation, so that's good. That's a plus. I don't know if you saw it on the camera, but I'm trying to get this grip. It's kind of like a false grip. I'm trying to master the false grip, like false grip hangs. So far, the 10 seconds is easy. I'm getting up to 12 Mississippis. Yeah, now we're gonna move on to the weighted pull-ups.
Got some little niggas with me, they my minions. You can call me Holy Phil, cause I'm the real deal. Listen to the music, then you'll find out how.
So I'm out of the gym, on my way home. I haven't looked at the markets yet to see how this experimental trade is going, but I just wanna say, like, I'm excited about this trade. Let's see how it goes. It's the first trade of the week, and it's Thursday. To be honest, seeing as it's Thursday and it's the first trade, let's see how it plays out, right? I'm not, just like in the book, I'm not expecting any outcome. I'm not trying to avoid losing, so let's see how it goes. And in regards to, pardon me, what's on the agenda this morning, I need to finish the video for today's upload. Then we can focus on the day, striking it by force, get a home run, you know? See you guys in a bit. So, market update. Right now we're home and it's 6:45. We got home at, like, let's say 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. This is currently how the GJ trade is looking right now. The 4 hours just closed. Okay, the 1 hour looks like this. So we'll wait and see how we continue and attempt here. If we get, if not, then nothing much that can be done. We'll have to just wait and see. Current interval and above. We'll do current interval only. And then gold, marvelous gold. We're back below this range. So it's just a question of where are we going to go? Yeah, where are we going to go? Right now, we just got confirmation that we're going to be bearish. So we'll have another market update in the next few hours around 10, 11 o'clock. If I do get into any positions, I'll let you know beforehand. As you saw in the market update, potential opportunities are rising, especially now as well. Gold's looking like we could potentially get some shorts. We just have to wait for the 1 hour to close. So fingers crossed, guys. We could get the first official trade. The GJ trade, we're currently floating in drawdown, whatever though. So I'm currently just waiting for the videos to download, and then we'll be able to get started on editing the video. But for now, yeah, we just gotta wait and see what happens regarding the market, and then yeah, gotta make sure we get the video done. We're finally in the kitchen. The video, it took a while, I can't lie. The video took a while to make. And you know the worst part, yeah, is that now I need to spend, yeah, I mean, maybe I should do it anyways, but I need to spend time watching the video to see if I done everything correctly. Because up until now, I haven't had to rewatch the whole episode just to confirm, like, okay, this is okay, or something's wrong. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do that. And I guess there's a first time for everything, right? But yeah, you know, I just wanted to tell you guys something. Like, I had the realization, right? And that is, I didn't notice that sometimes I'm so close to the camera. For example, as I'm filming it on the phone, if my head is full on the phone, yeah, that means on YouTube, when you guys are watching this, right, my head is huge on the screen, right, when you're watching. And I was thinking, bro, what the hell? Like, how can I only just realize this now? So I'm gonna try to make sure that the angles are much more improved. Yeah, just waiting for the markets to present some opportunities. We got a nice push on GJ though. So the experimental account's currently in like profit. I think it's like, I'm gonna say at least 40 pips profit right now, which is good. It's kind of crazy now because now there's gonna be like news coming out at 3 o'clock. When it comes to trading news, I consider it part of my risk management. What I do is I make sure that when it comes to news, either I can trade the market 1 hour and 30 minutes before the news release, a news release that will affect the asset I'm trading, or I have to wait 1 hour after the news has been released, then I can trade the asset that could be affected. So PMI is coming out today. As there's no setup and I have to wait for the 4 hour candle to close, I'm only gonna be valid to be able to enter positions on gold or NASDAQ after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So as of right now, that's probably like 2 hours. So it gives us time, you know, reading, writing, and I don't know if I said this, but like I'm not planning on leaving the house anymore. Like now, the only time I'm leaving the house is when I need to go to the gym, and that's it. Or if my mom needs me to go to the shop or something like that. I'm not gonna leave the house anymore. It's funny because when I have to go back to work, all the free time I've got now, I'm gonna wish I had it again, you know? I mean, it's not as if I don't live my life while I'm working as if I don't have free time anyways, because you know, if things need to get done, they need to get done, right? But yeah. So we'll see. Now I'm gonna eat some food, and then yeah, we'll see where the day takes us. We're on to chapter 4 now on trading in the zone. Can I just say, like, since I've been reading the chapters, like now I'm thinking when I'm trading, it's literally like the ideology that Mark Douglas has. I'm thinking about it all the time, you know, while I'm looking at the markets, you know. For example, thinking about how you shouldn't be a trader that's trying to avoid losing. Or for example, you need to make sure that you have a systematic approach and that you have boundaries and rules set in place, not just for your analysis, but also for your behavior, right? Emotionally. So like these things I'm thinking about all the time while I'm staring at the markets. And again, I can't stress this enough, yeah, but to have an experimental account, it helps a lot. But yeah, let's see what we can do with the classic account. Again, I haven't seen any setups yet. Yesterday the keyword was patience. Today the keyword is, I was gonna say the keyword was gonna be time, but yeah, I haven't got any keyword. Yeah, so we just wait and see. I'm gonna crack on with the mincemeat and then.
Yo, I was sitting in the bando bagging up the cane, looking at my life, I can't believe the flipping change. The prophet told me life ain't never gonna be the same, but there ain't nothing in the world that's gonna ease my pain.
We some players, in the trap ain't playing, going up amazing. Take the loot we standing, or saving feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield. We some players, in the trap ain't playing, going up amazing. Take the loot we standing, or saving feel something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay.
Guys, I had to take some time out the game, I'm not gonna lie. Literally from 3 o'clock until now, well, I say now, but I was in the shower for like half an hour. I was in the shower half an hour ago. Right now it's 7:23. I waited until the 4 hour closed on gold. Yeah, actually no, there's no right word. I was cooked. So yeah, now back to it. I'll have an update of what exactly I'm going to do. Yeah, I mean, right now the main thing is just to get a chapter done in the book. Yeah, we'll go from there. Today's probably been like one of the most challenging days because I think I haven't slept properly. Even the sleep I had from like 3 or whatever time after 3. It's just, yeah, I haven't had sleep, man. Like, the last proper sleep I had was on Sunday. Yeah. Sunday was the last time I had proper sleep. Yeah, I definitely need to fix that. I was thinking maybe, but I'm on the fence about it. I'll have to think about it deeply until Saturday. I was thinking to take 1 week off of the gym because when September comes, I'm going to be changing my whole entire regime and focusing on my main focus from September will be to focus on HIIT training. So I'll be doing HIIT training 3 times a week. I mean, I'll be training the main muscles as well, but not as intense because obviously the HIIT training is going to be so intense. We'll adjust. Obviously, as you know, it's like you have to have the idea first. After that, you'll slowly start to refine it, improve it, and make things flow with how your body is reacting or how your mind is reacting, right? So HIIT training is gonna be the main focus. So that's why I was thinking about maybe taking a rest from the gym, just to kind of reset my body. Even I can actually get better sleep, you know, for now. I don't really care too much about the sleep because I mean, even when I've been working, I mean, I'd say I'd hardly been sleeping anyways. I'm always being told I should sleep more, which I hear that I can't, or I choose not to, I should say. Let's get started. I feel 50% refreshed. Time to lock in. Chapter 4 is complete. Boom, done. The main things that Mark Douglas talks about in chapter 4 is you must be able to accept risk. The moment you accept risk in trading, that's it. You're a step ahead, you know? Another key point is that you have to like mentally detach yourself or emotionally detach yourself from being wrong in trades or losing trades, leaving money on the table, which I think he means like being in profit and then missing out on profits. And yeah, you have to detach yourself from this to be able to, again, be one step ahead and get closer to being a consistent trader. So on that note, let's look at the market and see if anything's coming up. Hey, I'm sorry, I tried to rush away there. Here are my notes that I took. I can't believe I actually tried to rush away. The second page of notes. Those are my notes. Sorry about rushing away. You've seen the notes now. Back to looking at the market. Whenever we look at the markets, because I think maybe I've made this mistake before, the only time frame that I should be showing to you guys or that I should be looking to myself in the meantime is the 4 hour. So, and then obviously when we start to look for the entry signal, then we go on to the 30-minute 1 hour. As you can see on the 4 hour, we're pretty much just consolidating. I think we've been consolidating since Monday. Now, we've rejected this area, but it doesn't seem like a suitable, I guess you could say, sell zone. So we just have to pretty much wait. Nasdaq now, it looks like we could get that push maybe. I'm hoping. Well, I mean, I say I'm hoping, but closing back above here could be a nice indicator for us that, okay, we should start to move up now. So we didn't really get any entry for the first buys because obviously this one didn't reject this area. Yeah, this one didn't reject the area bullish. It came back in the range. And then, yeah, we just consolidating here, came back down. And then GJE, we are still inside of this trade. We are still inside of this trade on the experimental account. I think I should have showed you guys the experimental account and what the situation is. But yeah, it looks like we're still in the trade. No, nothing bad yet. It's gonna be interesting to see if we're gonna be able to get that move to 201. But anything is possible, right? And plus, I'm kind of bullish for the dominant currencies, you know, like the pound, the dollar. I mean, in the short term, anyways. I'm not too sure on the specifics for the long term, but short term, I think these currencies will be like strong. Yeah, quite a bit to do. So we gotta be fast. But yeah, catch you guys later with an update. I'm starting to film some content for YouTube. I know that I've already been flooding you guys with like the vlogs, but I feel like I need to drop some more gems on you guys. So yeah, I'm literally locking in, doing videos. So I've just finished like some admin stuff. So now I'm pretty much just locking in with just making lots of videos, and yeah, be back shortly. I finally finished the first video, and man, it took long. I can't lie. It took longer than I thought, and it's making me fear on the rest of the videos that I've got to do, but it's got to be done. Yeah, just have to push through and just build the repetitions to be able to get better in terms of speaking in front of the camera, because I've noticed that I am very shy, or I don't speak very well in front of the camera. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm literally just gonna spend the rest of the night just making videos. So there's nothing much else I'm going to be doing, just videos. So I want to say thank you for watching. I hope this vlog was interesting to some degree. I hope we managed to get some key lessons. Yes, we shall be back tomorrow with a bang. I just want to say as well, like, being awake during the Asian session, nothing much is going on. I mean, yeah, gold is just ranging, Nasdaq doesn't want to come down to my entry area, and GJ is just being GJ. We are still in the trade with the experimental account, and yeah, we're just waiting at the moment. Thank you again for watching. Drop a comment, let me know what you think of the video, and see you tomorrow.